Do you know you can now change your Instagram logo to different icon and style? You're welcome to Appfix and In, and my name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Instagram icon. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Now before doing that, there are things you need to actually take in mind. Now you need to make sure that you've actually updated your Instagram, because this is actually an Instagram new update. So you need to go to your Play Store or App Store like this and update your Instagram by searching for Instagram and updating it. Now if yours says update, you can go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now once you're done doing that, you need to take note as well that you need to have a teen account in order for you to be able to have this feature on the Instagram account. It is not actually available for all users, so you need to have a teen account. You can actually log into your children account or your nephew account in order for you to be able to have this feature. So if you are unaware of what a teen account actually means on Instagram, it is actually those accounts that are within the set age of 13 plus. Now those accounts are going to be able to see content, message, profile and comments generally aligned with the movie rating of 18 plus, including those that are actually following. They will be able to see content and posts from those accounts that are actually aligned with their age. So that is what a teen account actually means. So in order for you to have this feature, you need to have a teen account. Now let's say you have a teen account, then you need to simply log into your Instagram app just like this. So I'm going to be using my nephew's account for this. So right here is my Instagram account. Now at the top corner, you can see the Instagram text. So you just need to tap and hold that and you'll be able to see this feature. This is only going to be available for you if you are using a teen account. So you'll be able to see all of this. So you can actually select anyone you want and click on the save button at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to save it as your new Instagram icon. So this is how simple it is to change your Instagram icon. This is the new updates on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Now for more tutorials and more updates like this, do hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.